If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. What's your name?
Micah.
What's your name?
Hi.
And my name's Maria. And today it is a rainy, chilly day, so I thought, what's better than cordon bleu meatloaf? If you haven't made this yet, it is absolutely delicious, and I'm so excited to make it for you. There's just a few ingredients, and we have our 2 pounds of ground beef from ButcherBox. So Micah, can you open that and put the beef right on in the bowl? And I know what you're thinking. So what are you using for the breadcrumbs? Not using pork rinds, no. I'm actually going to have my eggs in there, and I'm going to have finely diced mushrooms. It brings a lot of moisture, and I know you're thinking, I don't like mushrooms. Don't even know they're in there. Mushrooms have something called umami, which makes, it's kind of like that extra delicious flavor, the Japanese word for delicious. So we're going to chop those up. Can you do that for me? Yeah. Do you know how to do that? We have our nice food chopper.
Fit it up.
Well, just like, now hit it real hard, like you're mad. Yeah. I'll show you what I do. Lift it up a little bit. Okay. There. Teach your kids how to cook. It makes life so fun. There we go. Okay, stop. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Let's do these too.
Okay.
Yeah. Ooh.
What?
Let me help you.
I got it.
Okay, so we're chopping mushrooms. You want an onion. Yeah, there you go. Sometimes it takes twice as long to cook with your kids, but you're gonna have memories like this for a lifetime. Here, honey.
I got it.
If I open it, there we go. Chop, chop, chop. I don't know if I really should have used this. I probably should have used a food chopper, a food processor. Okay, so, boy, we are going to actually chop the onions with our hands, with a knife.
What? Yay.
Okay, so this thing fell apart. No, mommy's gonna do it, honey. There we go. Now it's working. There. Maybe we were just hitting it a little too hard. So you just want some finely chopped mushrooms, and about a half a cup. We might have a cup, but that's okay. It's just gonna add moisture. And we're gonna put that right on in here. And you want 1 onion, so I'm actually gonna chop it real quick. I'm not a chef, so don't make fun of my knife skills. You want about 1 small onion in there. That's gonna go right on in here. And you're gonna get your hands dirty, so you need what, honey? Why don't you break 2 eggs into the bowl for me, okay? Go on the other side. You can do that.
Why is there blood?
Oh, that's just from the beef, honey. So 2 eggs are gonna go in there. And you're gonna need ham to roll on the inside. And I like to use Applegate ham because it's just oh so delicious and there's no preservatives in there. And then you need provolone cheese. Provolone cheese melts really nice. Got 2 eggs in there, that's all right. Put that on there.
And I got it.
And you're gonna need a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. You're going to add a clove of garlic, some salt and pepper, and then you guys get to have oh so much fun and gush it around with your hands, okay? So gush it, gush it, gush it. You don't wash it. Gush it. You want me to help?
This is gonna be cold like last time when we
Yeah, it's kind of cold. Video. Oh, we did a pizza video a while ago, didn't we?
Yeah. You remember you had to squish all the...
So this is what kids usually like, is getting dirty. Get your hands on in there. No? You don't want to? I can do it. I feel like an old Italian grandma making pasta with her hands and getting all dirty. You want a piece of parchment paper out like I have, because you're going to roll, instead of forming this into a loaf...
Can you put cheese in there?
Not yet, honey. I'll show you. This is how it's going to be made. Oh, we have a lot of onion in here. That's all right. All right, so once it's all well incorporated.
You put this in the oven?
You know what you should make with this? Maybe if you do like mushrooms, I am going to make a video of a stuffed mushroom casserole because I love stuffed mushrooms, but I don't like going through all the trouble of making them. So I did just kind of like this casserole that is just like a stuffed mushroom, but way, way easier. I did it in Hawaii. It was awesome. So Micah, can you move this bowl away out of my cooking area? Thanks. So, hey Kai.
I just like chopping stuff.
Now I'm gonna roll, flatten this out so it's about a ½ inch thick. You're just chopping about nothing, aren't you?
Yes.
So now, Kai, can you get a piece of ham out? A couple pieces?
Okay. I'm.
It's already open. Okay.
Oh.
We're gonna take the pieces of ham. And Mike, you wanna help on with this? Put some ham on there. There we go. And then cheese. Kai, can you put the cheese on top of the ham? Nice work. Just like that. You can get bigger pieces of provolone. I just slice this now. There we go. It's kind of like a ham and cheese meatloaf. There, that's good, bud. Oh, you want to use all of it? Okay. Well, you might as well use all of it. Here we go. This and that. All right, so now you're going to take one piece. Oh, that's all right. We'll just leave these off. You're going to take one end and start rolling this on up. You're going to eat that piece? No, we're not chopping it. And then have your bread pan ready. This is going to be one stuffed bread pan. I wonder if I should use a bigger one. Yeah. It'll probably work.
This is how you.
Naughty.
I just like chopping stuff.
And I like to actually put the parchment right on in here because it's easier to remove. So it's all rolled up. And I'm going to just lift this right on in there.
Oh my God.
There we go. And if it falls apart, you just put it right back together because it's meatloaf. And it comes, oh, it fits perfectly in there. And you're going to have the oven at 350. And you're going to put that in there for about 50 minutes or till it's cooked all the way through. And we'll catch you back when this is done. I'm so excited. The Cordon Bleu meatloaf is just about ready, I think. Excuse me. Let's pull this on out. Oh yeah. Now there will be some juices in here, and that's okay. That's going to happen with meatloaf in general, especially when you don't use bread. But this is the meatloaf. It's absolutely delicious, and I like that you're going to let it cool a little bit, but then you can just take it right on out with the parchment paper. I wanted to slice this to show you how beautiful it is, but it might be a little bit too hot yet. Yeah, it's just too hot. But this is the Cordon Bleu meatloaf. It makes great air-fried meatloaf. I've done that. That's on the blog at mariamindbodyhealth.com. You can make a meatloaf sandwich with my keto bread or whatever you want, but that's the Cordon Bleu meatloaf.
Mom, you want to say something?
Hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Bye.
Mahalo.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your friends.